Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can enable the video highlight wizard option given by Line Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open Line on your phone. Then you should click on Home, which you see on the bottom left hand corner of your screen. Then click on the settings icon on the top right hand side. Scroll all the way down and find Line Labs. Go ahead and tap on Line Labs and you can see the video highlight wizard. What this will do is it will let Line analyze your videos to find all the juicy parts. So you can see that this is an AI type video highlight wizard, and you can see the button will appear when trimming videos, and the videos will be analyzed and they will be made better, and the filters will be added and amazing features will be there. So you can go ahead and click on video highlight wizard, and as you try to send the video, you can see that they will be highlighted and you can see the thumbnail will be changed and more data will be taken, but the video will come out in the top-notch quality. You can go to the Line Labs over here and enable this function. I hope this video about how you can enable the video highlight wizard function given by Line was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.